Hey, welcome back. Today I made my favorite meal prep, chicken bacon ranch salad. I'm not sponsored by HEB yet, but this is my favorite go-to for quick protein. To the bowl, I added 2 bags of the chopped chicken breast, 6 boiled eggs, and 3 strips of bacon, and 1/2 of a diced white onion. And y'all know me, I'm only gonna add a little bit right here, but I'm eventually gonna add the rest. I love me some onion. Next, I add a little squeeze of sweet relish and about 2.5 tablespoons of avocado mayo. Look, I know this relish isn't paleo. This recipe is supposed to be quick and easy, and I don't have time to make it from scratch. So go ahead and take me to paleo gel. Go ahead and try. Now it's time for our first mix. Then we mix until everything is evenly distributed. Then we add a little squirt of mustard. Now for the star of the bowl, ranch seasoning is added. And I used a Great Value ranch seasoning, and I am a Walmart partner. So don't miss out on visiting my storefront linked below. There are some really important holidays coming up, and I have some really cool ideas for the cook in your family. Now don't forget to add pepper, and as you can see, I'm adding the rest of the onions. Onions might be my favorite vegetable. What's your favorite vegetable? Comment below. Now it's time for the final mix, and after 9 ingredients and 2 flicks of the wrist later, voila, chicken bacon ranch salad. I don't know about y'all, but I'm about to eat.